Hey everyone, welcome back and happy Friday. All right, guys, so I hope you were able to catch our live recap today with Kim from Bravo Breaking News. It was such a good recap. It was for OC, the premiere night. And honestly, guys, I gave it a 10, and I know I never give 10s, but I thought it was a good, solid. They gave us what we wanted in it. The Alexis Bellino and there's the door, Shannon Bedore. I didn't think we were getting that the first episode. I didn't think that we were getting that conversation straight out of the gate. So I was all about it. But we're not back to talk about that. We're back to talk about Rachel Leviss apparently scoring this big win in the lawsuit against Tom and Ariana, plus some Danielle Cabral in New Jersey of it all. So before we jump in, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And let's get straight into this madness. So, based off of what Reality T is saying, Rachel Leviss scores a win against Ariana and Tom in the revenge porn lawsuit. Now, we all know about the affair, and apparently, I guess a judge just allowed the case to move forward. So this all stems back to the day when Ariana stumbled across the X-rated messages on Tom's phone. But as the legend goes, she took a recording of what she saw on Tom's phone and sent it to Rachel. That quick moment opened a can of worms that, well, might haunt her for a long time. So the case is moving forward. As they previously shared, Ariana's legal team strongly condemned Rachel's lawsuit and they called it an abuse of the legal process and argued that Ariana did nothing wrong. They said the only person she sent that recording to was Rachel. Exonerating Ariana even further, they claimed that Tom quickly snatched Ariana's phone and deleted everything. Ariana and her lawyers filed an anti-slap motion to get Rachel's case dismissed. However, a judge just disagreed with that concept, and Deadline reported all of the details of the 19-page ruling that came from the LA Superior Court Judge Danielle Crowley. And it seems like Ariana could be facing an uphill battle. The plaintiff has conclusively demonstrated Ariana's conduct alleged in the three causes of action was illegal. Ariana Madix's conduct is not protected under the anti-slap statute because the alleged conduct was illegal as a matter of law. Now, with the judge's order, the case is greenlit to proceed to trial, but unfortunately, that's not going to be anytime soon because the court date is currently set for November 3rd, 2025. Guys, that is a long ass time away. Like, that is a long time. But now Ariana Madix, thank you to Reality Blurb, is slamming Rachel over the false claims that she caused her mental health crisis. Yeah, the drama just keeps drumming. The drama from season 10 of Vanderpump Rules seems to be never ending. This is mainly because Rachel is suing Ariana and Tom for the revenge porn. But recently, Ariana fired back through court documents and questioned many of Rachel's claims. Now there is even a trial date set for the matter. As practically everyone knows, Rachel is accusing Tom of recording intimate FaceTime calls without her consent. And of course, this happened while he was cheating on Ariana with her. Not only that, but she says that Ariana reacted to finding the videos by sending them to their friends. And in her lawsuit, she claims that this is part of what caused her to have a mental health crisis. Now, according to In Touch Weekly, Ariana isn't taking the legal punches without fighting back. For starters, she wants the court to thoroughly examine the evidence that has been presented. According to her, Rachel has no objective evidence. She says this is the case because it never happened and no such evidence exists. Of course, the it in this case is Ariana sending the video to anyone else after finding them. Now, the court documents continue. Put simply, the primary allegation of Raquel's complaint is false. Ariana and her legal team went on to discuss the idea that she is partly responsible for Rachel's mental health crisis. Specifically, the court documents called the claim false. Ariana's attorney had this to say. On the contrary, the complaint is very clear that Raquel's mental health crisis preceded any alleged distribution of the videos, was caused by Bravo, or was caused by the public's backlash against Raquel for betraying Ariana. Previously, Ariana filed a motion to have the case dismissed by saying, I did not send the videos to anyone else, nor did I share, display, or show the videos to anyone else. And to be clear, I only saw the video of Raquel in places secluded from others. But that goes back to the win that Rachel just got because, as you guys know, like I said at the very beginning of this, the judge decided, well, you can sell it to us all you want, but you're still coming back in November of 2025. Okay. Okay. Well, moving on because you guys know we got to. I'm gonna go over to the Danielle Cabral of it all. Love me some Danielle. Thinking all about the Real Housewives, she's sharing her one regret about fighting with evil Jennifer Aiden. In a recent interview with Access Hollywood, Danielle Cabral discussed all of the things New Jersey, including the upcoming season 14 finale and her fight with Jennifer Aiden. When asked if she had any regrets about her fight with Jen Aiden, Danielle said, "The beauty of what I bring to the show, it's very reality, it's not staged. I think everything you see is based on like an in the moment. My face tells everything." Danielle went on to blame the physical altercation with Jennifer for her own impulsiveness. She said, "I only regret it. The only regret that I have is letting someone that evil get to me. Because I should have in that moment said, ha, okay, you're a loser. But I just couldn't, man." She then teased that fans haven't even seen the end of her drama with Jennifer, hinting that the two will have another showdown during the season 14 finale dinner. And that's nothing. Wait till you see the finale. It gets even dirtier and more evil than what she said to me. But in the same interview, Danielle said that she doesn't see a path forward with Jennifer. "No, I haven't been able to really talk to her. I don't know. Things went down after that happened the next day. The next day was not, 'How are you doing?' It was, 'I feel bad for Jen.' It's really sad now that you think about it. It was probably the fact that I was a better friend to them than they are to each other. And they ruined that. I would have been there. I did right by them. And they destroyed them." She added that the depth of her friendship with Jennifer is what left her reeling following the altercation. "What you don't know is that I had a closer relationship with Jen than Jen did with Teresa. I would talk on the phone with Jen all the time. We were close. She would come over to my house and we would go away with the kids. And with Jen, I gave her more of a friendship than I know Teresa ever has. So for her to say, 'I'm just getting to know you,' it's so like, ugh, yeah. Well, to be honest with you, Jen Aiden is no dummy. And Jen Aiden knows that if she goes onto the show and she continues to hitch her wagon to Teresa Giudice, she can be safe. She's not going to get on with Melissa Gorga and Margaret Josephs. They're never going to be best friends. And even if she did go over there, she's already burned those bridges so many times. So there's not going to be this true blind loyalty because the bridges have already been burned. However, what she can accomplish is staying put with Teresa, which is what she's doing. She's protecting that bubble. Because if she crosses Teresa, then she's just somewhere in the middle. And when you're somewhere in the middle on Housewives and nobody wants to be around you or film with you, we watched this on Salt Lake City. The women came together and they ended up pushing Monica Garcia off of the show. That's what happens. Brandy Glanville got pushed off of the show. So you don't want to be in the middle. And that's why she's not crossing Teresa. So even when the show is not filming in real time, like she might have these other relationships, friendships. But it's like Lala Kent says, "I'm one person when I'm not filming the show, even though it's a reality show. I'm one person when I'm not filming the show. But then when I start filming, the claws come out and it's like, oh, gloves are off. We're fighting. Let's do this shit." And that's just kind of how it is. But I really want to hear what you guys think. I don't want to just like give you this information and not ask your opinion. So, guys, pop off in the comment section, please. Let me know who you think is going to win this lawsuit. And yeah, good luck, Ariana. I don't think she should even be named in it, but she is. So good luck to you. Smash the like button, get subscribed. We'll see you next time. Love you.